Today we're going to teach you how to build a computer. First of all, you're going to need a case, a motherboard former, a hard drive, a power supply, a graphics card, some memory, CPU, a wireless card and a CPU cooler. You're also going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-shock wristband.
To start building your computer, first of all, get your motherboard former and attach it to the motherboard. Then place it carefully inside the case and using your Phillips head screwdriver, screw it in. The finish should look something like this. Then get your power supply and place it carefully inside the case and then screw it in. The model that we are using for this tutorial is a AX 750 watt modular power supply. To connect your hard drive, take a 3.5 inch bay from the case and place your hard drive inside it. Then put this back into the case and get your power cable and place one end of the power cable to the hard drive and the other end to the power supply. Then get your SATA 3 cable, connect that to the hard drive and connect the other end of that to the motherboard. You will then need to connect the power cables for the fans. Next, take your graphics card and place it into the PCIe slot and use the thumb screws to hold it in place. Make sure they are screwed tightly as you do not want the graphics card to fall down during use. Next, place the PCIe network card into another PCIe slot. Screw in the antennae. The more antennae you have, the better signal you will receive from your wireless. Lift up the latch for the CPU and place it inside. Remember to have applied thermal paste, otherwise it will overheat. The CPU we are currently using is the i5-2500. Place your sticks of RAM into the RAM slots. You'll hear a click when they're in position. Get the ring of your CPU cooler and screw it in. Screw the 120mm radiator into the base and then mount it next to the fan and screw those two together. Connect the power cable for the CPU cooler fan and also connect the two 6-pin connectors for the graphics card, the 20-pin connector for the motherboard, and also the front panel connectors need to go in. All products used in this tutorial are available from your local computer store.